we've noticed, like when we first moved in and we was having the heating on,
yeah,
the pressure was high all the time.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we didn't know what to do about that really.
So you've probably got an problem with the expansion vessel, which is at the back there.
Yeah.
The expansion vessel's job is to stabilise the water pressure in the central heating system.
Yeah.
If that's faulty, what will happen is when you put the heating on, pressure gauge will rocket round to 3 bar.
Yeah, we've noticed that, to be fair.
But the filling loop's been left open, so it's constantly on 4 bar.
Yeah.
Outside, it should have loads of water pouring out really, because the pressure release valve opens at 3 bar of pressure.
Yeah.
But you built up to 4 bar, so.
So what does this mean? Like,
ideally, it needs a new pressure release valve on the back of it. It needs the expansion vessel repressurising and filling loop turning off, and that should resolve it unless there's any further issues. But you can't really diagnose any further.
Is this something that you could do today, or do we have to get someone to come back?
I can possibly do it today. It's going to be quite time consuming.
Yeah. Because
you can't get the pressure release valves at the back there, so it's all designed to come out there and get to it. I can generally get to it. Worcester Bosch boiler, over pressurising. As you can see, this problem's obviously been going for some time. Someone's extended that into the drain. Four bar pressure, doesn't seem to be a lot of water coming out considering the PRV opens at 3 bar. Pull that expansion out before we take this boiler off the wall. Electric's disconnected. So we've got the boiler off the wall, which gives us a good chance to inspect it at the back as well. Expansion vessel's been disconnected, it stays on the bracket, and we're going to remove the PRV, the old one, and fit the new one. There we go, that's what it was holding back, 4 bar of pressure. PRV is completely blocked, so in effect that means there's no safety device, there's no safety release. Dangerous boiler. No PRV is fitting into the boiler. Our ring's greased up ready. Boiler's ready to go back on. All new fibre washers. Greased up. New O-ring on the expansion. Get this boiler lifted back on. Boiler's back on the wall. All connections are tight underneath. New O-rings. Expansion's reconnected. Pressure's back in the system, cold water's back on, and a tightness test carried out. We start putting this boiler through his 26.9 checks, just making sure it's all safe and working again. boiler's up and running. Just checking the working pressure at the meter. Working pressure is low, so we'll be calling cadent out to address that, possibly replace the governor. We're going to have fun because this gas meter is in an awkward position. As you can see, as a result of the incoming gas pressure being low, gas pressure to the boiler now becomes low. Checking the fan speed and pressure, so the size alright. All is now working, heating's on, central heating pressure is stable and working running again.